Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of is. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have e to the power of is ds. After we do first the derivative of this one, next we need to divide both sides by this one. Next, this one that is about u. So this one we change for u. ds we change for this one. So this one we can put like this. So the integration of this one that is about exponential integral of u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.